Okay. Is this thing on? Okay. I think I predicted the volcano update again. I did not predict it again, but I predicted that the volcano will come again. If that's confusing, then try to figure it out, alright? So basically, if you don't know what I'm talking about, I released a video where I do a series where it's gorilla tag, and then I do like a challenge, and then we have like a bad editing software or something in it or whatever. Anyway, so basically, my last one was floor is lava, and that was before this update came. And then like maybe a week later or something, I don't know, the volcano update came. What? Do I have a third eye? I don't know, dude. Like, how did I predict that? Whatever it is, I just, because I have a big brain. So, it's gonna be a short video if I just end it here. Alright, we're just gonna do the parkour course for a second, and then we'll end the video, just so you guys can get a little extra, oh my god, entertainment. Ooh, okay. Ooh. No, go away, go away, you know. I just bonked into my brother. Oh my god. God dang it. Okay, one last try and then we'll end the video. I might post another video right now because this is a really short video. Oh god. Because for some reason I'm really lazy to upload videos, but I really like making the videos. Let's go. Alright. See you guys later.